I have a new item to show you that I just found. It is a rechargeable vacuum cleaner, and it is a 2-in-1, which means it's 2 vacuum cleaners in one. Let's take a look at it. This is the name of the company that makes it. It's very attractive. It's got the white with this blue, and I like the shape of it. It feels good in my hand. Here it says here. This is the battery, the 22.2 lithium. Yeah. And up here, you've got control up here. So when you're using it in the stick mode, you can do it there. And then underneath here, this is the part, on the bottom part here. Got a little sweep here, and then the brush that turns like that. And I like how this is very flexible, so you can get around corners and stuff. And let's take a look on this part here. Now this is the 2-in-1 part, and how it makes it a 2-in-1 is you'll be using it like this as a standard kind of upright, and then when you want to get into corners, you need to take it out to your car, do it on the stairs, whatever kind of tight spot, you just take it like that. And now you got this vacuum cleaner. Yeah! I love that. Alright, for the attachments you get what I would say is really, really standard. This is known as your standard crevice type of tool that goes on the end. So you can get like a nice little small spaces. Little attachment that has a little brush on it. This is especially good if you're using it on your upholstery. Like I would use this to get a cat here, and that helps to pick it up. So that's great. And then in here, let's take a look inside. And then here's the filter that pulls out. They do give you an extra one of these, which is nice too. So you get your extra filter. And, oh, it's a second filter too. This is where the dirt goes. Once you see it's filling up here, then it's very easy because you got the clear window. You take it to the trash can, empty it out. So we'll get like that. Very nice, very easy. And then this clicks right back on like that. And you're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead, let's try it out. Let's see how well it works. I really like how, let's see if I can show that, how the brush really worked into the carpeting. So it really went deep into that carpeting to pick up stuff. You can see how it brushed up the carpeting. I really, really like that. Down in this area right here, I have a bunch of cat hair. The kitty's like rubbing against this area. So let me get it on this. Let's see how that does. Yeah, that did good. I want to try it also on the couch a little bit. Open it up, and you see here, got quite a bit of cat hair. That was from the edge of the couch, as well as some chips and popcorn that I was been eating that I dropped on the floor. So did pretty good. I didn't use it a whole lot, but I've got a whole bunch of cat hair in there that came from the side of the couch, as well as some bits of popcorn and chips that I was eating. A little bit of dirt around here I need to kind of brush off. Overall, I'm very, very happy with this vacuum cleaner. I really like that this is rechargeable as opposed to having a cord on it. Did a great job. I love that it's 2 vacuums in one, and I love that it's portable so you can fold it down and fit in a small space. Since I know I have space that's limited, works perfect for me. So yes, I like it and I'm glad I got it.
That's it for my review today. Thanks for watching. Bye.